It's Friday. This week has been completely insane. Possibly, I think, definitely the most intense week so far, mainly because tonight is our Christmas party, and I think we've invited most of southern Sweden to see what we've been up to, and I think all of us, like about 2 weeks ago, suddenly started thinking, yeah, we could kind of get this pretty much looking finished-ish in time for the Christmas party. So we've just been racing to get it done. We've got pretty close. It's not actually finished, but it's looking pretty incredible. It's been quite hard to film because I've literally just been racing around all week from one thing to the other. But I thought what I would do today, seeing as it's the end of the year, is I would film a tour of the place, but I would cut it in with the very first video that I ever shot in this place, which was actually just under 4.5 years ago. Incidentally, yesterday was the 4-year anniversary of us buying this place, so it's been 4 years since we officially kind of started, very slowly at the beginning. But yeah, 4.5 years ago, I came here very hungover with my friend Anders, who is playing at the Christmas party tonight. So that's also a nice little circular thing. And I walked around hungover in sort of a stupor of disbelief and alcohol fumes, filming on my phone all of these spaces. And I thought that would make a pretty cool video. So that's what this week's going to be. It's going to be basically that first video I shot, showing you around, and I'm going to cut it in with what it looks like today, and I think it could be pretty cool. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and let's see what happens.
Home sweet home. Woo!
Okay,
Wait, two
in the barns.
Good one.
Wow. Here's the milking parlour. It smells very cow-like. There's a little thing here. Metal roof. A little metal roofed thing. And then through to here, which is fantastic. Fantastic big room. This would make an amazing kitchen and very cool. Stairs going up. Wow. So how do you get above this? Crazy. This is just all, it's an amazing, yeah.
Where are you?
I'm up here.
How did you get up there?
You have to go all the way through the milking area and then, this is incredible.
What is it? You go through down there?
Down and then round and then up. Look at this, it's dark, but this is such an amazing space. Wow. You could do something really special with this. I mean, that could actually be an incredible studio. Even this up here. Somehow you could turn this into just, and it's not as big as it looks in the photos, which is kind of good. It's a little bit more of a manageable size. Up here, staircase. Another little loft thing. Could just be a cool bedroom. I mean, man, imagine, look in there. Look through there, man. That is a stunning space.
Wow.
It's so cool. It is so amazing. Yeah, these barns are just wild. So that would be the studio in here.
Oh, okay.
But now I'm thinking even this could be the studio up here.
Control room up here and recording over there, control
Yeah.
room, and then you record down there. You
Yeah,
can
yeah.
just overlook it.
Wow. Okay, I'm going to try and... I want to see what's above the... I don't know how you get above this other room here. Window. How do you get above here? Is that from the outside, maybe? It smells a bit horsey or cowy in here, but it's fine. Beautiful old floor. Is there a hatch? Am I missing? Is there like some sort of trapdoor? Yes, here. Okay. Just film it up here. So much space in here.
Yes. It's not often we have things that are in so good condition,
Yeah,
so high up.
yeah. Yeah, because this is like totally usable as rooms up here. Can you grab that again? Door there. Room here. How can we actually get through here? All right. There we go.
So this, I think this building is the absolute beauty of the
It's
house.
amazing. This would be my recording studio.
Oh. That would be fantastic.
Yeah. It's good. It's metal roof as well. It's cool. No asbestos here.
I think this is the absolute best building in this mall.
Yeah. It's
It's really,
the whole place is really in good condition.
yes it is.
It's so big. I mean, you could have a massive studio and a control room, and still plenty of room for a wood workshop at the end.
Yeah.
And
It's an absolute beauty of a view also.
Yeah, it really is.
So that way it's fantastic.
Yeah. It's just really magic. It could be just paradise. Is this really completely full of water? Yeah. There's some sheep there. And that's the stream, the rest of the stream.
I suppose the guy who lives up there.
Yeah, is he nice?
It's really nice.
What did he say?
Asked if he was soldier
Yeah.
and talked about how much he loves the area.
Okay.
Like he could hear the birds sing.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sort of... I really love it. But that part of me is... Okay, that was the end of the video, and I don't know what my closing pearl of wisdom was in the end, but we did end up buying it. And yeah, I can't believe that we're nearly done. As you can probably tell, even 2 days later, the Christmas party was a lot of fun. But I've just managed to gather enough brain cells together to make this video. I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who's helped us in the last 4 years. You all know who you are. There's many, many of you. Hope you all have a very happy Christmas. And we will see you next week for something, I think. All right, lots of love. Look after each other. And goodbye.